Hi, this is your host Dipali on Intellect Digest, and let's get started with another episode. In this video, I will share quick unboxing and hands-on review of Intel Cloud Thread smartphone. It is priced at Rs 4999 or Rs 5000, and the main highlight of this phone is that it comes with a hexa-core processor, which is not usually seen in smartphones in this price range. Let's start with the box contents. First thing in the box is the phone itself. It comes with a protective case, screen protector, battery, USB cable, a charging adapter, and earphones. You will also get some documentation in the box. Now let's talk about the design and build quality of this phone. It is made up of good quality plastic. The rear has been given a metallic look which looks very nice. The back of the phone is slightly rounded for better grip. On the front there is a 5-inch display. Above the display there is 5 megapixel front shooter along with earpiece and sensors. There are 3 on-screen navigation buttons. On the rear there is a 5 megapixel primary camera with LED flash, Intex branding and speakers. On the bottom edge there is a charging port along with primary microphone. On the top edge there is 3.5mm audio jack. The left side of the phone is clean and power button and volume rockers are located on the right edge. The rear panel of the phone is removable and it gives access to a 2200 mAh battery, 2 SIM card slots and a microSD card slot. Overall build quality of the phone is good and it is a sturdy and compact smartphone. Now let's talk about the display. It comes with a 5-inch HD display with 720p resolution and it also has Dragon Trail glass protection. The display is bright but colors seem to be a bit dull and sunlight legibility is also just average. But considering the price tag, the overall display quality is decent. Coming to the camera department, it comes with 5 megapixel cameras on both front and rear. The rear camera is accompanied by an LED flash. In the camera app, you can adjust exposure, white balance and ISO, and you can also add different filters. We took a few images with this phone and found out that outdoor shots are decent, but quality of images taken indoors is not up to the mark. Images show some noise, especially those taken in poor lighting conditions. We also face some focusing issues with this phone. It is not very fast in focusing and also lacks proper focusing capabilities. But for a phone in this price range, the overall quality of images taken with both the cameras is good. And we cannot complain much as there are not many smartphones with good cameras in this price segment. Moving on to hardware and performance, it comes with a 1.5 GHz hexa-core MediaTek MT6591 processor paired with Mali 450 GPU and 2 GB of RAM. It is the cheapest hexa-core smartphone available in the market. It houses 16 GB of internal memory and supports expandable storage using microSD card. On Antutu benchmarks, it scored around 29,000 points. We played a few games like Dead Trigger 2 and Frontline Commando 2 on this phone and it played them with ease. We did not face any major lags or stutters during our time with the phone, thanks to the hexa-core CPU and also to the light and stockish UI. More cores ensure speedy and smooth multitasking experience, and it does show in the performance of this phone. Compared to other phones in this price segment as well, its performance is very smooth. On software front, it runs Android 5.1 Lollipop operating system. The interface is smooth to use and easy to understand. There is a lot of bloatware that comes pre-installed on this phone. It comes equipped with a smart motion feature for a better hands-free experience. This feature offers several motion gestures for performing various functions like unlock the phone by waving palm across the top of the phone, put the phone close to ear to answer a call, put the phone close to ear to call the contact, silent the call by turning the phone and more. The phone packs a 2200 mAh battery which will get you through a day on moderate usage. It offers 3G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and GPS as connectivity options. If you're looking for a smartphone under Rs 5000 that offers you good performance, 3G support and overall good build quality, then you should opt for the Intex Cloud Thread smartphone. If you want to buy one for yourself, then we are leaving direct links in the description section below. Please like, share and comment on this video and do subscribe for more such videos. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.